Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over an iPad drawing lesson, okay? So if you have Procreate, this is perfect for you. Even if you don't, you can kind of watch it and learn. We're going to learn about the program as well. So what I want you to do is to stick around. We're going to go over how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's get into it. Alrighty, let's go into the Sonic universe here, all right? So first thing I do is I'm going to select my tool right here, and that is cartoon brushes, and this I'm going to go as standard. This is actually some brushes that I created. You can download them from pretty much Gumroad. You can click the link in the description and download this custom set. Let's go over here and draw Sonic, okay? So right off the bat, I'm going to draw a curve right here let me draw the line a little bit bigger. Over here with the slider tool on the right hand side, you can make it bigger and smaller. Curve. Oops, let me draw a little bit of a different curve. Curve right here for curvature of his eye. Line right here for kind of the other side of his eye right there. He's got that kind of glasses look to his eyes. Curve underneath. Pull up for the front of the snout. Let's go in here and draw the snout, like the nose itself. Kind of has that shape to it. We're gonna drop a highlight and then fill in the rest, okay? Gonna go right here, pull down that eye to kind of complete it on this side. Let's go over here to the roundness of the mouth. Curvature, here. Curvature, oops. Curvature, if you want to undo, press 2 fingers to the screen. Oopsie-daisy. Oopsie-daisy. That's the cool part about this. You can just keep redoing it until you get it. Line right here. Curvature right here for the eye. Fill it in. Circle right here. Fill it in. Curve for the brow right here. Curve for the brow. Line at the top. Right here for the kind of the top of the head. And right here we're gonna have the triangle for his ear sticking out the far end right there. Continue on this side and we're gonna go up, zigzag, oopsie. Up. We got one of those spikes. We're gonna keep going further now. For that spike on that side. Before we go any further, I want to actually find the line right here for the ear. So, oopsie-daisy. So redo. There we go. I'm gonna go right here, draw a triangle, and then a line right here, and triangle for the inside of the ear. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like these kind of drawing lessons. I'm going to put them every night as an extra bonus. So we're doing these iPad lessons. Going to go over here out. So we want to shrink him now. I'm going to go over here and press select and kind of move him around and maybe shrink him, move him on the page. Go back to the selection tool. Oh, I mean the brush. That's another spike. And another spike right here. Let's go over here to his arms. We're gonna go over here, line. He's got these tube-like, basically looks like a bendy tube. Curvature right here. It looks like a 3, I don't know, an 8, whatever, right there. And that's gonna form the cuff of the glove. Circle, oopsie-daisy. Circle right here for his hand. Around his waist right there. Gonna go over here, curvature for his stomach, and then we're gonna have his far side arm over here. Line in, line in. Go over here, have the rest of the glove right there. You're gonna throw that extra part of the glove. Let's go over here now and do that spike on his back right there. And then we're gonna do a line for his legs, curvature right here for his lower waist. And I forgot we're gonna draw right here. There's a coloration on his stomach. Right there. Line down, line down, line across, down, down for his socks. And we can shrink him again right here. Let's press the selection tool, which is that little arrow at the top, and see how I can now move it. I can kind of pinch it. Let's move it up just a bit. Go back to the brush tool. Line right here, downward, out over here. And his shoes are basically triangles, okay? And they have a stripe through it. So let's throw that line, line over here, line over here. Now we can go in with our erase tool, and you can kind of correct some stuff. See how I overdid it there, and I overshot the line over here. You can kind of just do that throughout the drawing. You don't have to do it because you just kind of want the impression of everything, but you can do it. Okay, you always have that option. I can kind of go back and straighten a couple lines out and stuff. Cool, cool. Let's throw a little bit of color here. I'm gonna go to the top right corner, press that circle, and I'm gonna select kind of a, I don't know, I'm gonna so if you go up, it's light. If you go down right here, it selects dark. And then to the right is more blue, or more of the color, and then to the left is more gray. It takes that color away. So we're gonna go over here, top right corner. That's a pretty, oopsie daisy. That means there's like a line somewhere. Let's cover up that line. I think it's right here. All right, let's try that again. Top right corner here. There, kind of works, but the eyes are being colored in as well. So let's go back to black, and I'm gonna fill in this area, maybe thicken that line. So now I'm gonna go back again. There we go, got that blue here. I forgot something actually. I'm gonna go back to dark, go back to my pen tool. His arm is flesh colored, I forgot. So, okay, top right corner, let's try it again. This is a trial and error of this process. But you can do stuff really quick, and that's kind of the cool part about all this. Let's go over here now to the red. Excuse me, got a little bit of a cough. Definitely hit the like button. Please subscribe. I'm gonna be putting a lot of these videos, in the afternoon, of course, as extras. It's not gonna be replacing any traditional stuff. And we're gonna go right here and drop it. You drag it, and then you drop it. Let's go find this flesh color. Usually it's like peach over here, kind of around the red area, and then like pull it that way. Orange area. It's a little bit. Over here, and then drop it right here in his stomach, his arms, his mouth, and there you go. That's a quick color of Sonic just standing there. I want to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, pick up the custom brush set over here. It is incredibly cheap. I think it's like a few dollars. Go pick that up at the Gumroad store, and I'm going to put that link in the description. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon, okay?